How to change WhatsApp group icon. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you guys a quick and easy way to change your WhatsApp group icon. So let's just jump right in without any further delay. First thing first, open up your WhatsApp application. Now make sure that you're logged into your account. Now head over to a group where you want to change your group icon. So what I'm going to do is just basically tap on this group called test, and you can tap on the top corner to view the group info. Now to be able to change the group icon, just tap on the group icon picture. You can select either camera, gallery, images and stickers, and search on the web. So let me show you emoji and stickers. You can select any kind of emoji to set it as your group picture. Or if you want to do a custom image, you can select from gallery. So go ahead and tap on it. Here I've selected an image for a group picture. Now just tap on done, and then that picture will be set as your group photo. It's as easy as that. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.